In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect PayPal to Payhip. First, make sure you're already logged into your Payhip account. Once you're on your Payhip dashboard, look towards the top right corner of the screen. You'll see an option labeled Account. Go ahead and click on that, and a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, select Settings. This will take you to your main account settings page. On the settings page, you'll notice several different tabs or sections you can choose from. Look for the tab that says Payment Details and click on it. This is where you manage how you get paid and where we'll be connecting your PayPal account. Within the Payment Details section, you'll see a list of available payment methods. Look for PayPal in that list. On the right side of the PayPal option, there should be a Connect button. Click that button to start the connection process. When you click Connect, a pop-up window will appear on your screen. In this pop-up, you'll be asked to enter the email address that's associated with your PayPal account. Type in your PayPal email carefully, making sure there are no typos, then click Continue. The pop-up will reload after you hit Continue, so give it a moment. Once it finishes loading, you should see a message that says something like, "Your Payhip account will be connected with PayPal." This is basically a confirmation screen. When you see that, click the button that says Confirm PayPal account to proceed. After you confirm, another pop-up will open. Again, wait for it to fully load. When it's ready, you'll see two fields. In the first field, enter either your PayPal email address or your mobile number, whichever you normally use to log in. In the second field, enter your PayPal password. Double check that everything is correct, then click the Login button. The pop-up will reload once more. At this stage, PayPal might ask you to complete a security check. This can involve choosing how you want to receive a verification code, such as by email, text message, or another messaging option. Select your preferred method, wait for the code to arrive, then enter that code into the field provided and continue. In some cases, after logging in, the page may simply refresh and show a message that says you're all set, or it may ask you to confirm that you allow the connection between your PayPal and Payhip accounts. Once you see the "You're all set" message, that means your PayPal account has been successfully linked to your Payhip account and you're ready to start receiving payments.